In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a gradient fade to transparent in Adobe Illustrator. This is a super useful technique when you want an image to smoothly fade out, create soft edge effects, or blend objects seamlessly into your background. The best part is, it only takes a few steps once you know where everything is. So if that sounds good, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, go ahead and place your image or create the colored object that you want to fade. You can do this by going to File, then Place, and selecting your image from your computer. Click on the artboard to position it, or click and drag to control the size as you place it. If you're working with a shape instead of an image, simply use the Rectangle tool or any shape tool from the toolbar and fill it with a color. This will be the object that we apply the fade effect to. Next, we're going to create the gradient that controls the transparency. Select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a rectangle directly on top of your image or object. Make sure this rectangle fully covers the area where you want the fade to happen. It's important that this rectangle sits above your image in the Layers panel, so if needed, right-click and choose Arrange, then Bring to Front. With the rectangle selected, open the Gradient panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and then click on Gradient. Apply a black to white gradient to the rectangle. By default, Illustrator may apply a white to black gradient, and that's perfectly fine because we can adjust it. What matters here is that one side is black and the other side is white. In a transparency mask, white reveals and black conceals, so the white area will keep your image fully visible, and the black area will make it fade out to transparent. You can use the Gradient tool to control the direction of the fade. Press G on your keyboard, then click and drag across the rectangle to adjust the angle and length of the gradient. For example, if you want the image to fade from left to right, drag horizontally. If you want it to fade from top to bottom, drag vertically. You can also adjust the gradient sliders in the Gradient panel to control how smooth or dramatic the fade looks. Now we're going to turn this gradient into an actual transparency effect. Go up to the top menu, click on Window, and then choose Transparency to open the Transparency panel. This is where the magic happens. Once the Transparency panel is open, hold down Shift and select both the gradient rectangle and the image or object underneath it. Make sure both are selected at the same time. Then in the Transparency panel, click on Make Mask. As soon as you click Make Mask, you'll see the fade applied instantly. The black part of the gradient becomes transparent, and the white part stays visible, creating that smooth gradient fade effect. If the result looks inverted from what you expected, simply check the Invert Mask option in the Transparency panel to flip the effect. At this point, you can fine-tune the fade even more. In the Transparency panel, you'll see a thumbnail for the mask. Click on the mask thumbnail to edit it directly. You can then adjust the gradient, move it around, or even change it from linear to radial for a circular fade effect. When you're done editing the mask, click back on the main artwork thumbnail to return to normal editing mode. And that's it. That's how you create a gradient fade to transparent in Illustrator using a simple opacity mask. This technique works great for photos, textured backgrounds, typography effects, and so much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Illustrator tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.